Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be guiding you on how to create your first board on Trello. So let us get started. First, open your browser and type trello.com into address bar. Since I have already logged in with my account, this is what you can see. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so using your Trello account. Now, tap on Create, located on the upper deck of the Trello interface. Then, click on Create Board. Write a board title that represents the project or task you want to organize. You can also choose a background color or image to customize your board. Next, you can decide who can view your board. You have the option to make it private, team visible, or public, depending on your preferences and the level of access you want to grant to others. After selecting your preferences, tap on Create. And voila, your first Trello board is now created. Now, the board is ready for you to add cards, move them between lists, and collaborate them with team members. You can create cards for tasks, assign due dates, add descriptions, attach files, and more to keep your project well organized. I hope this tutorial helps you get started with your first Trello board. Thank you for watching and happy organizing. See you in the next video.